Welcome guys, this is Mohammed Shahzad. Today introduce OnePlus 9 Pro. .7-inch AMOLED display, resolution 1080 by 2400 pixels, always on display. Android 11 plus Oxygen operating system 11. Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, Eight GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. 32 megapixel selfie camera. Triple rear camera, 48 megapixel, 50 megapixel, 8 megapixel. USB 3.1 Type C. .5mm audio jack. (4500 mAh battery with support for 65 watt and 40 watt wireless charger. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.